Hello, this is Emily. A delicious and satisfying curry udon with perfect poached egg. Let's see how easy it is to make. Slice the onion and cut the chicken into pieces. Fry the onion until it is fragrant. Fry the chicken until it is half cooked and then add almost a cup of water and let it simmer. When it is boiled, add the Japanese curry cubes and continue simmering. You can add a little bit of water depending on the consistency of the soup that you like. And we are done with the chicken curry soup. Now we move on to cook the udon. Place a frozen udon into the hot boiling water. Simmer for around 30 seconds and use a chopstick to loosen the udon. Cover and continue simmering for another 30 seconds. To make a perfect poached egg, the egg must be as fresh as possible. And tip number 1, strain off the excess egg whites. I'm going to do 2 experiments here. First is by adding a teaspoon of salt into the swirling water. Remember also to turn down the heat to a gentle bubble. The swirling water should help the egg whites to wrap itself around the egg yolk. So guys, what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. So now let's keep going with the second experiment. Here I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of vinegar, and exactly the same process. Place the egg into the swirling water. To me, I think this egg whites stay more intact compared to the first one. But the end result looks exactly the same. We're almost done. Now pour the chicken curry soup onto the udon and gently and carefully place the poached egg on top of the udon. Also sprinkle some spring onions and that's it. 哇，我都流口水了，完美的水煮蛋有没有？我真的觉得这个超适合那些很忙但是又想快点吃到好吃的人，我相信你一定会爱上它的。好了，我今天的分享就到这里咯，谢谢观看，下期再见，拜拜。